and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix yellow screen on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's get on it. The first thing that we are going to do is to simply adjust the brightness. So every smartphone has an auto brightness feature that allows the phone to adjust the brightness as per the surrounding. So this can be one of the reasons why your iPhone 13 screen looks yellow. So the solution here is to turn off the auto brightness feature and adjust the brightness manually. You can turn off the auto brightness feature by using the following steps right here. So first, you'll need to go to your settings on the iPhone 13 and then select accessibility and click on the display and size. And now toggle off the auto brightness. So to adjust the brightness manually, what you can do is to simply swipe down to launch the control center of your iPhone 13 and then locate the brightness bar. So drag the bar up and down to increase and decrease the brightness. Next one is to disable True Tone. So everyone knows that iPhone 13 comes with a Super Retina XDR OLED display that guarantees the smoothest experience and the most stunning visuals. So the True Tone feature adjusts your iPhone's lighting as per the ambient colors lighting conditions. So doing so ensure there is maximum color consistency to match every environment you are in. However, keeping the mode enabled for long is why you're experiencing the iPhone 13 yellow screen. So to disable the true tone, you can go ahead and follow this process or the steps right here. So you'll need to swipe down to launch the control center again on your iPhone 13 and then press and hold the brightness control. This will open up the expanded view and the true tone feature will be visible at the bottom part of your iPhone. And just tap the true tone to disable it. And next one is to disable night shift. So if you have developed a bad habit of scrolling through your phone for hours instead of sleeping at night, iPhones have the perfect solution. The latest iPhone 13 comes with a night shift feature which gives your device a warm orange tint that helps you get a good night's sleep. However, if you fail to disable night shift, it can cause issues such as the iPhone 13 yellow screen. So what you'll need to do to disable the night shift is to simply swipe down again to launch the control center of your iPhone 13, then press and hold brightness control. And this will open up the expanded view, just like right here, the dark mode. The night shift and the true tone are visible at the bottom of your iPhone 13. So just tap onto the night shift to disable it. And next one is to enable and adjust color filters. So iPhone comes with color filters that allow you to customize your phone's appearance as per the wallpaper or theme in the background. So similarly, you can enable or adjust these color filters by tracing the given steps. So first one is to simply launch your settings and then select again the accessibility and go to your display and size and then select on the color filters just right here and then select on the color tint. Adjust the intensity and the hue accordingly. Next one, what you can do is to force restart your iPhone. So a force restart what is one of the most effective fixes against any bugs or glitches present within the system. So as compared to a normal restart, a forced restart can give you a quicker and effective results in terms of problem solving. So to force restart your phone, you'll just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and then press and quickly release the volume down button. And then now press and hold the side button. Do not release side button when prompted to slide power off. So hold it until an Apple logo appears on your screen and you can now release the side button. So wait for the force start to restart to take place. Next one is to update your iPhone. So not updating your phone for long comes with a few repercussions. So one such repercussion is the iPhone 13 yellow screen. So every smartphone manufacturer tends to roll on periodic updates. So these updates generally come with bug fixes and also fixes issues that crashes your iPhone 13. So therefore, you can start by updating your iPhone 13 by tracing the given steps right here on your screen. Again, go to your settings and then select on the general and then select on the software update, and your iPhone will now search for available updates. So if an update is available, you can simply download it. If there are two updates available, select the one which you wish to install. And then lastly, what you can do is to simply contact Apple support. So if none of the fixes has worked out for you so far, it means that there is a deep underlying problem in your iPhone. So in such cases, only an Apple tech expert will be able to diagnose and troubleshoot the problem. Therefore, we strongly recommend you to visit your nearest Apple service center at once. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.